Having a theme for your wedding can make the day tie together really nicely. You want your wedding day to really reflect you and your hubby. If you're going to pick a theme to go with, do this in the early stages of planning your wedding, as every aspect and style choice will revolve around the theme. There are tons of ways to pick a theme for the two of you. You can pick a movie you love, like The Notebook, and follow the wardrobe, the color palette, and the romantic feel, or you can go with something rustic and naturey that reflects the style of your home. Some of my clients' favorite wedding themes are a nature theme with lots of plants and earthy tones, birch tree paper, a rustic feel, and natural colors that you can pull from looking at photos of the forest or looking in your own backyard. If you and your fiancé are into country and western, you can consider getting married in a barn, wearing cowgirl boots and a cowgirl hat in your wedding photos. You could go with a royal theme like dark blues and golds, have chandeliers as part of your decor, a theme truly fit for a king and queen. A fairy tale theme brings out soft pastel colors, using candles and lanterns as accents. A beach theme is fun. Bright colors like pinks, teals, and seafoam, seashells, and sand as the decor. You can apply these themes to your engagement photos too, your save the dates, your invitations, your cake, and your decor. Keep in mind, themes aren't essential at all, but sometimes this can help make your decision making a lot easier. There are tons of themes to choose from for your wedding. Pinterest is a great place to get more ideas on themes and really help give your wedding planning process a rhythm. Our favorite themes are a nature-themed wedding, a country and western style wedding, the royal theme, a fairy tale theme, or a beach theme.